Hi guys. Alright, so I do this video here. I don't know when I go post it, maybe tomorrow. But I do this video because I just saw something on YouTube and I got kinda break down something. It kinda hurt my feelings because they were talking about broken home, why children are, violence and being rude and, go out there and do them, rudeness, whatever them do. They were saying broken homes, the reason why boy pitney are like that and girl pitney when them bad. But I just want to tell you, say that are not truth. We not have to stop do that. We not have to really stop do that. It start from you as a parent and how you grow your children then. And it hurt my feelings, It really did. It still do, because that's why I talk about it. It hurt my feelings because I have 4 kids. I'm have them when I'm a teenager, all of them. And none of them not involved in anything. Well, one boy put me have and 3 girl put me, but even at school, a teacher never called me and say my kids do something bad at school. Some must come at school. Me never get one of them called here at school. Me watch my children them like a hawk. And when I have my 4 kids, I realize say, relationship now work out for me. So I just put, no matter how man look me per road, I just, shun them off and go about my business. Because I tell myself that when me go through in a life, me now make my children them go through it. Because me develop that mentality there, me no want nobody hurt my kids them. So me watch them. Me not as close as the neighbor be. Me not send my kids them. Anybody who know me can tell you say, my penny them not come out a yard and go a neighbor yard go sit down, because me used to afraid people molest me penny them. It's just a fear we build up in my head. So me used to afraid of them something. So me not make my kids them go away. Them not go a people neighbor yard. Me not make them go. Them have to stay in the yard. So me try to give my son a little game where we keep him in the yard and do little things to my kids them. When Sunday evening come, once me have a little money, me carry them go to the park or make them go buy ice cream. Me carry them, go Emancipation Park, and them little something them used to love do with my children. Me be a mother to my children them the best way me can. And that is the thing where you have to do as a parent. You have to be a mother. Even though you may grow up as in a rough situation, once you carry your baby in your belly for 9 months, you are going to have feelings and love for say you for love your pitney. Because me, as I say, I have my one them when me a teenager. I'm a grow up that mentality there. If you love my kids them, you can't beat your pitney them with dish towel, kick them, box them, embarrass them in front of people. If your child does something wrong, right? You can't spoil, you're not going to save the rod and spoil the child. I'm not going to tell you so I'm not whip for me one them. I'm not going to tell you that. I tell you that a lie, me I going to tell. Me do. But me not going to take rope, subtle jack, and use my foot and lick them in a them head and turn them in an idiot. Me not do them something that anyone of me pitney them come out and say me do that. Lie them I tell. Me not put my foot on me pitney them. Me not box them down and kick them down and shoot them away. Like how me watch people do them pitney. Use dish towel beat them. Call them shithouse, dog shit. Me not do them something there. Me grew up in a them environment there. But that doesn't mean someone must do the same thing. So you have to develop a mentality. Me not to go do ear and nails. And tomorrow morning me pitney not have no food to eat and go and I go a neighbor house to beg food. Me not even go a neighbor house, which part me used to live. Me not go a people yard. I practice myself because children live what they learn. Me not go sit down on roadside and gossip and chat people. Me not do them something there. And it's go the same. All what go on in the streets now. People must stay in their yard and find something to do. Help them pitney for read a book. Buy book, give to them children. When Sunday evening come, if you have a little extra money from, what do I call that now? A little extra money from the money was supposed to send them go to school and buy a little grocery. Take them out, treat them. It not gonna be often if you not have it because we are poor people. You understand? So treat your pitney them and show them respect. You have some people who say, sure, what kind of respect I may carry them come here? But that is just darkness. You have to show your kids them your respect so them can respect you. Children live what them learn. And we as the parents have to show them love. Else them are going to grow up with this anger and bitterness and them are going to out there and do these things. Lock them up under your foot. Stop sending them a people yard because you don't know if your children them might be molested. Enough of the youths them in the street like this, them all molested and them grow up with bitterness and anger inside of them. They don't have no love because no love not in the house, and you don't have to have a man in your life to have love. You don't. Love your children them. Cherish your children them. Put effort in them. You don't have to get up every day and say me love you because we know how we grow up. We don't show affection like that. But sometimes just give them a hug when them sad. Give them a hug. You know? Don't push violence. You sit down and you cuss any bad word in front of your pitney them. Ask my pitney them if they hear me cuss bad word. It's not that I couldn't cuss it, but my goal and my mentality when I build up for raise my children is to make sure so them respect me. Is to make sure that me respect them. Because if me not respect them cannot respect me. And that a lot of people is getting wrong in them also. You listen, man, if you hear a child come and you're upset, shut it down. Shut it down. Me and my husband live. If me and him have a disagreement, my kids them don't even know about it. Me prefer, if me say where it go escalate, I mean not go say we don't have disagreement, but me try my best to make it happen. Me try to be the calm one. And it's not that me calm, me don't calm. Me can be very, very, very angry and mad. But me have self-control. I practice myself for have self-control. So that can apply to my children then. Sometimes I'm not going to say my head no chip. But you're not going to chip on me, I'm going to disrespect them and cuss them bad word and call them names. No. And if me see where sometimes I not even like talk certain out of the word as big as my kids them become a baby, I going to be 21. No. And as I say, I have 4 kids as a teenager. So you have to respect your children them, man. So your children them can respect you. Pop up at school and check up on your kids them. Not just send them off at school, make them go along at school for months after months. Anywhere me go, me build a relationship with me pitney teacher. As soon as they move out of the class there, me have to build a relationship with them new teacher. Me go out there, sit down and have conversation with them teacher, build a relationship and change number. And me check on them and them look at something they intimidate them. So them know so them have to behave themselves at school. So as simple things like that you can do as parents to grow your child. Show them love. And me tell you, me beg you, so that the mentality of the youths can be better. Show them love. If a mother raised them or a father, me talk because me is a mother and things when me see. You know, I remember when we used to go and work a morning time, I used to work down at the wharf. And at 3 miles, you used to see some little baby like them look like them about 8-9 year old. When them supposed to be in a school, them a wipe windshield. It better the mother and the father go out there go wipe the windshield and send the pitney at school. Some of them look same like a pitney there. Them mother they home and then they come home with the money, them take the money from the pitney them. Yo, me I tell her, sometimes when me used to cry about them something, you know. Me used to cry about it and beg God. And don't think, say, for one bit, that my life was easy. Me grew up in a some. If me if I tell you how me grew up, you would have never expect that. Like, me not even know if I tell you no. Me not want even go into that. That is a different time. That I from a book. I have to write how me grew up in my book. Because people see you and people not even know you. They don't know what you go through and them judge you. They might go say, oh, you did have it easy or whatever. If you know how me grew up, you would have never known, say, me would have developed that mentality there. So people need to understand, say, broken home is not what is destroying these kids. It's a bunch of all different kind of stuff. Parenting. And some of the mothers are saying, like, what they are trying to say is that because them never grew up certain way, them can't do it, or them not know how to do it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Stop buy ganja. Stop bar go drink. Cut off doing hair and nails. Natural beauty. See it? Use it buy food for your pitney them eat. Party 7 days a week. Ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So it's not broken homes. We don't have to pray for no pitney them. Join them together. Me never have money to buy church clothes, send my kids them go to church. No, me can't send my kids them, all four of them have a good education. It last two in a college now, university. Okay? So uno can do it. Me used to eat tin mackerel and curry chicken back on Sunday. Me and my 4 pitney. So uno can do it. Uno can do it. Go pick fruits off a tree, blend it up and make juice, put little sugar and lime in there, make them drink, put little substance in them body. Uno not have to have waka money. First, me used to choose me guys them when me used to talk to. Yeah, me choose the wrong ones them, but me used to choose ones where work. Me never like easy come, easy go. Me never like that. I always used to choose guys where hardworking, like do build house or, them work. So them honest bread coming at them pocket. Me not choose guys who go a run bar, go sit down and smoke. That was a problem for me from an early age. For watch man sit down in a bar, drink out their money, and then tomorrow morning you wake up, you don't have money for give me for your picnic go to school. Them there's something that used to be a problem. You find money, you buy weed, but you can't find money for buy food. As a young girl, me pray them something from way out. Way out. So, if you not work and you come home with money, come give me I go ask you where you get it. Because me no want it. If you not work harder, honestly for it. Me's not the kind of person who is a money grabber, and it's not what you give me, is what me do with it and what me save towards it. That is me. Me not crave for somebody where have big waka money and me not know how it come. Me want to know, say, you work or you have a business where you grow for yourself. That's me. That's the kind of guys where me attracted to from a young age. Okay? So, I just say, broken homes don't have nothing to do with it, guys. I'm not going to say it don't have nothing to do with it, because some people take out them frustration because them don't have a guy or them don't have a woman, and the people feel the consequence of it. You have to build up love. First of all, you have to love yourself, and you have to have self-love before you can even love somebody. The effort where you put into man to love them, put it in your pitney. Love your man, of course. Not get it wrong. I'm just saying, your children, them are the youths, and them need you. Because you go trouble them. Sometimes we not go trouble them, it just happen. Because none of my one them never plan for. But them come. them come, I'ma give God thanks for what me try to do as the best to see the result now in at the end. You get what I'm saying? So me I beg you now. No abuse the broken homes and say that, because as me say, me build up that mentality there for just leave man alone, focus on my kids. Because one of the things that did torment me might get the wrong man put in my house for molest me picking them. So I want to make sure so my kids them have sense and me build up that relationship there with them where they can tell me things if something like that occur. That was my problem. Me don't want to have the wrong man, and when me gone, they molest my kids. Me try to keep my kids them in the house. Me don't make them go a neighbor house. Me don't make them go nowhere. Keep your pitney them under your foot. And instead of you make them out there wipe windshield and you know about it, you go out there go wipe it and send them to school. Do what you have to do. Go work. Go wash people dirty clothes. My man, I could have even pan a garbage truck him work as long as him I get him honest bread. No easy does it. I don't believe the 8-year-old, 9-year-old, 10-year-old, 11-year-old, 12-year-old teenager pitney for out there per road at daytime when school are gone. Come on, man. Come on. My pitney them the only time them stop from school, I went a last day of school, because me know last day of school fight always broke out. I always used to hear people say fight broke out at school per last day. So I never used to say my kids on my last day because I don't want them get caught up in the bang around. So last year you don't learn nothing at school. Most teachers are there at school. So that's the day when them absent. Me pop up at school and friend every teacher, as me say, to make sure so I call them and check up on me pitney them. Lunchtime, me used to clean people place and take care of my pitney them, you know. So you can do it. You hear me tell you? You can do it. I'm not afraid or ashamed to say it. You just have to build your mind to better things in life. You start from here so and climb up there so. Honestly. So I used to make sure so I pitney them go to school. I used to throw a partner to pay them school fee, buy them uniform. When August step in, I get partner draw and start make uniform. When September morning come, them have brand new brassiere, brand new panty, bag, everything. Partner draw. Me used to throw and send me pitney. Listen, man, on a treat and a pitney them good, you know. Because children are the future, and if them are going that way, yeah, it will destroy the whole concept of what life is supposed to be. It have to change. I love on the pitney them. I love the pitney them need love. Enough of them little pitney here where you see I act certain way, they don't get no love. Me ain't get none when I grow up. Me don't even know one name so. But me develop it up because me want to make sure say me can express it to my children them. Not by saying, oh, me love you, but by doing the things them that is right by your children. Guys, later, yeah, man. Not broken home. Don't blame broken home for this. So here is my firstborn, my second, me and my first and last. So be there for your children.